Go
All right, good
49.
morning, everyone. It's just past 10 a.m. here. Welcome to another edition of the Long Coffee Break. My name is Devin Gash, and I serve the role of Air Distribution Sales Engineer for our Northern Colorado territory. Today, we're going to be talking about one of our manufacturers I've had a relationship with for over 15 years, is Plastec Ventilation. They cover ventilation for corrosive environments, natatoriums, labs, wastewater treatment facilities. With Plastec, we have Carl Johnson. He's been with the company about 2 months, so he's brand new and excited to share with us. Carl, go ahead and take it away.
Hey, first of all, I'm gonna definitely give it up back to Devin. He gave me the opportunity, this platform, to share with you guys about Plastec. Been working with, met Devin a couple of weeks ago, and he's an awesome guy, so appreciate Devin. Anyway, my name is Carl Johnson. I live in Phoenix, Arizona. I call it God's country. The weather's nice here, a lot of golf. I cover Arizona, Utah, Colorado, Nevada, and New Mexico. So basically, I'm the business development manager. So who all don't know about Plastec, great company, very proud to be associated with these guys. We are rated good or better on 72% of the corrosive gases, stainless steel and fiberglass are in the 6% range. Very cost effective. I'm sure everyone knows how expensive stainless steel is. We're about half the cost and half the weight of stainless steel and fiberglass. The most important thing I want to hone on, because in this new environment where it's hard to get things shipped, containers in the ocean can't come to the US. I was at the Asteroid trade show. A young lady came to my booth and she shared with me a story that it took her 70 weeks to get her fans delivered. So guess what, folks? Plastec Ventilation can get your fans delivered in 2 business days. I'm talking about 2 business shipping days to get your fans. I mean, that is unheard of in today's environment. So definitely you gotta want to take advantage of that. So basically what we're gonna talk about in this presentation, we'll talk about AMKA certification. We're gonna talk about our history. We'll talk about why use polypropylene. Gonna overview some of the products. Gonna talk about master spec. Also, we're gonna show you a software where you can actually easily pick the fan for your selection. And also, we're going to talk about availability. So AMKA, what is AMKA? Air Movement Control Association. We have been certified for a while. This allows you to get inspected by your engineers, basically to remove any barriers. This gives the engineers a level of confidence when specifying our product. So let's talk about this slide here. This slide shows how we launched the product. Our parent company, which is based in France, has been in business over 50 years, folks. 50 years, our parent company. Plastec itself has been in business for about 22 years. We have about 13 fans in our lines. Our Jet Series line was launched in 1995. You can see from the chart here, our Storm Series was launched in 1998, and our Plastec Series was launched in 1995. A brand new factory was built in 2005, so definitely got some history with this company. We offer a full line of polypropylene blowers, inline fans. Every fan comes with a 2-year warranty, folks, 2-year warranty on the fans. AMKA certified. We sell over 50,000 products a year. So if you can look at this slide, you see those black fans there. This is a picture of a good example of individual extraction, as well as our ability to offer carbon impregnated polypropylene and explosive resistant motors for AMKA Spark A certified requirements. A lot of laboratories use these fans, chemical plants, wastewater treatment facilities where corrosive fumes are a problem, are a great use for our product. I just want to share a story with you folks. I have a chemistry degree, and I remember when I was in a science class, I was working with some benzene and toluene. I was dissecting some polysaccharides for coagulating blood in mice. And I wasn't aware, I took my first job as a chemist and I took a sputum cytology test, and my lungs came infected because the fumes had infected my lungs. So, folks, so this is some serious stuff, folks. So, the fume industry is a great industry to be a part of. Just want to share that story with you. Anyway, 2-year warranty. Here are some features of the Plastec series. You can read it. The good thing about these fans, they all are color coordinated for easy to see. All Plastec series are polypropylene constructed. Like I say, they're clockwise and things like that. So I don't want to bore you, but you can read the slide later. Next slide. Here's some other benefits of the Plastec series. Some redundancy. They're very durable, very reliable, very easy to install. I mean, we can send you guys a cell sample, if you like, with a 110 volt plug. So you can take it in on your sales calls and you can show it to some of your prospects. Like I say, very cost effective, compact design, very lightweight. You don't have to have a crane to install this thing. It's pretty simple. These are some applications. So the first picture is a lift station where you can see some scrubbers. It's probably in some subdivision. You know, some of these houses, they don't want fumes out in the air. So the second picture is another lift station that's right near a plant. And the third picture is a water treatment facility. I mean, you can see where it shows some capabilities such as the weather hood. You see that purple weather hood where it can be in an outdoor environment where it won't affect the motor. Also, we provide the stacks. You can see the disconnect switch. Anything that touches the fan, we can offer. This is one of my favorite fans here. This is a Jet series. It's a great packaging option for a rooftop as well as wall mounted. It comes in 3 sizes. It's multiple capabilities, but the best part about this fan, it sits right on the roof curb. It's a plug and play. Some benefits of the Jet series, like I say, it's a plug and play. It comes with an integrated weather hood. The best part for you, as you can see, is plug and play. So, I mean, plug and play, folks. People like to do things easy these days. You can put it on a roof curb. You can attach it. You can run the power. One thing I want you to know is you need to specify what the power is when you order a product, because we wire the motor directly with a disconnect switch for you. On this slide, we show that we offer everything in carbon impregnated polypropylene. Again, to meet AMKA Spark A. Again, all our products, including Jets, are available in a carbon impregnated polypropylene. Here, I want to reiterate the accessory we carry. Anything that touches the fan, we can offer. Whether it is an exhaust guard, an inner damper, a backdraft damper, stacks. We recommend to use these backdraft dampers and stacks for your fume hood and corrosive gas extraction. We offer the Master Spec, which is Master Guide in Building and Construction System, where your engineers can go there. If you can see that small website in small print at the bottom of your page, the engineers can go there and they can grab our specs if they need to. They can go on that link, or you can go on that link to see what it's like. We also offer a fan selection tool, which is called Zephyr. You can actually go to our website. It's a drop-down menu where you can click on it, and you can actually, it has a selection tool for the performance only. You don't have the price. You have to get with Long about the pricing on this, but it allows you to put in the parameters, basically get the fan selection that you need. And then using your price, like I say, ask Long, they can help you out with the pricing. So again, folks, I want to hit home. This is very important in today's in the world, folks. Everything is shipped in 2 days. People don't want to wait for their fans, folks. I mean, if you want something shipped rapidly, you need to call Long and get with Plastec and get these things shipped right away. 2-day shipment. If not, is probably being a quote process, order process, but we can get you the form. We can tell you what date is needed. 2-day shipment, 24 hours availability. Anyway, I know that was short and sweet. I really appreciate the opportunity to give my presentation, and definitely get with Long and get with Plastic Ventilation to get your next fan order. Appreciate you. Thanks, Devin.
Carl, I appreciate your help. Again, reach out to your Long sales engineer. If you are an engineer that is interested in the selection software, that's something we can provide. And, we're always happy to get you a price on one of these fans. Carl, thanks again for your presentation. We really appreciate your time on this. That being said, you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks again for joining us. Don't forget to join us next week. I'm not sure what the topic is, but you guys will get an email here in the next couple days. Thanks and have a great day.